Alright, well, I was just playing around and I decided, well, if you see that little oil spot right there, and there's oil on my swing arm right there, my exhaust was leaking oil, and I read about this thing where you could heat it up and kind of get all the oil out. Well, I tried that. It smoked a whole bunch. Just kept going, and that's what come out of it. Like, there was no saving that. There's a little bit more after I put it in the parts washer and try to get the crap out of it. Here are the things I use to pull the crap out. Yeah. So it was beyond saving. It just had so much oil in it. It was gross. I've never seen one that bad. I've not pulled apart too many, but I've never seen one that bad. So here's the pipe. I mean, you can barely even see through it. Like, look, there, it's all clogged up right there. But I'm gonna clean this off, and then I'm gonna repack it with maybe some steel wool, or I might just go on the internet and buy some legit repacking. We'll see. So we're gonna repack this exhaust. Seen a thing on the internet where they said you could use just locked insulation, so I don't see why you couldn't. That's what I was trying to get rid of. That bike is so tall. bad. That's a whole lot of smoke. Shouldn't be smoking that much. Alright guys, as you've seen in the muffler video where I repacked the exhaust, this bike has a smoking problem. I'm not sure if it's burning coolant or oil, but I replaced all the gaskets on the coolant frame, so I'm not so sure if it's the coolant. I don't think it is, but it could be, I don't know. But I just bought all the crank seals, so I can go ahead and get it. I'm going to replace both sides, because it's still got that surging problem. And I think it's sealed behind the flywheel. I'm not real sure, but it's the only thing I can think of. But I'm going to replace all the seals in here. I have them ordered, they're on the way. So that'll be coming up soon. I also ordered a new brake lever because this one's wrong. I don't know what it is, but as you can see right there, it's got a little rub mark where the kickstand's rubbing, because I had to bring the kickstand out so it would clear this, because this brake lever's wrong. It's hitting the case and rubbing up against it. I think it's for a newer style or older style bike, like a 96. But yeah, I got all that coming, so we're gonna be doing that soon. The Buggy, I haven't forgot about it. I'm looking for a motor right now, and I also need a lot of other parts. I need spindles, I need my brakes, my hubs, so I just have to, I'm trying to find a motor before I do anything else. As soon as I find the motor, I'll start cutting it up and welding the frame together, and then we'll get the spindles and everything. You guys just let me know what you want to see. Alright, peace. Dude says